We really need a thriving business event sector.
It would be absolutely amazing for events to continue taking place over the next few months.
Well, I think the whole thing about the event industry is that we need to keep income generating within the sector. So we need people to have confidence.
It's really important for us to keep the centre open as much as we can and for us to continue with the momentum of hosting events, working on events, and that's really critical for our staff. It keeps them engaged, it keeps them motivated and generates just general momentum within the City of Adelaide.
Every event that we can complete over the next few months, which is always dependent upon the level of restrictions that we've got, allows us to stand up staff, it allows us to feed our supply chain and their staff and their families, and most importantly it allows people to get back to doing those things that are fun and effective. Face-to-face networking, gala events, all of these things, we've found that people really do enjoy them when they're given the opportunity to go back to hosting those events.
It would mean a great deal for us. We couldn't ask for anything else as of now. We're waiting for business. These events will be a lifeline in these testing times, not only for us, but for our vendors, our business partners, our retail partners.
It obviously would bring our people back to work, increase the number of shifts that people have so that they can be accommodating all of the events that are taking place. The flow on also to the motivation it gives to the people and the confidence that it gives back to the industry is enormous. Events as well are so important for the state's economy. They drive our employment and they also continue our growth and our partnerships into the state.
We benefit from daily delegate catering packages, but also the welcome receptions, the gala dinners, restaurants and cafes and kiosks all located in tourist locations that we really secure pre and post conferencing. And the demand of our restaurant is a lot greater when we've got a really thriving business events market.
I'm confident that the industry is going to come back next year. We've seen in May this year that people want to meet, so I'm confident that's going to come back, and I need to have quality staff there next year. So I'm hopeful that we can find some more events to happen in the remainder of this year, which is going to mean a lot to the staff and obviously financially for our business.
What is often overlooked is the local business that we do, and the majority of the events that we do are smaller, in the hundreds rather than in the thousands, and they're local. So it's really important part of our business strategy.
Events between now and the end of the year are very, very important.
It will give the much needed boost to the local economic space as well.